Oh, we got a little snow coming in. Don't get to see a lot of this as a Houstonian, but it's pretty cool. Look at this, all over the table. You can't build snowballs, you can build snow mud balls. Mm. Oh yeah, a little birdhouse. Look at the apartment rooftop. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Spider web?
Yeah.
I see it too.
With the icicle juice all over it.
Is that rain or is that snow?
Snow.
Wow. That's like a southern blizzard. It's pretty cool.
Man, those pants are pretty early.
Look at our little, well, the camera can't pick it up. The bush in the back. Yeah, the bush you want me to dig up. Alright, we're going to take this to the front and see what it looks like up there. Yeah. Still be cool for them to see this though. Even though it is, what, 11 something at night?
They said Houston, they were making fun of it.
Oh, look at that car.
Houston's gonna shut down on Friday.
Yeah, we shut down for this kind of stuff. That's crazy.
Cars don't have chains.
Look at that, all over my sleeve.
The city doesn't pour what you call it all over the streets.
Alright, I'm going to wake up the kids. I want to get their response. My head's a little cold. We got one kid to get up. She's not that impressed. Look at that car over there, Ma. Covered in snow. Look at it. Look at our neighbors across the street, their roof. My camera phone is not going to pick up all that, but it's still pretty cool. We'll go back inside then. I just wanted you to see it because, you know, don't get to see it much. Huh? Oh, that light over there? Yeah. It feels like it's kind of turning back into, yeah.